You're going to take a yoga strap or some kind of strap around the lower ribs there where the ribs split. Give a little crisscross and let your palms be up so your shoulders can be relaxed here. And just feel how you breathe. Inhale, you move into the strap. On exhale, ribs are closing. And that's a typical breath. But what we're going to play with in this exercise is instead of letting the ribs close on the exhale, we're going to retrain the lower abdominals to come in and lift before letting those ribs close. So this is a particular for people who have an external oblique dominance pattern. So as you're inhaling, you stay out into the band and let your lower abs lift up on that exhale. So it's kind of hard to see in my video here. If you're able to kind of zoom in with your device, that would be great, just to see what my abdomen is doing here. From the side, you could see it a little bit better. As I breathe in, that inhale, I'm keeping that connection into the straps. That's a good cue. And letting the lower ab lift first. There we go. Lower ab lifts. And then inhaling. Lower ab lifts. And inhaling. Lower ab lifts first, then upper abs. Take some practice. Give it a try.